No! The engine malfunctioned and I'm still beating him!
Don't waste it. Fresh parts. Stage 3 clutch for the Civic. This is sick. I've never actually had a manual car before, so this is my first one, and I've just never had anything like this. So shout out to Rob for grabbing the parts from me from Lozano. He's getting in all my last stuff in, so shout out to him. But yeah, and we're gonna try another pedal assembly because for some reason the pedal assembly that I had gotten before wasn't fitting. Craig was trying to put that in for me and he was saying that none of it was aligning, so I got another one from Hector and hopefully that will work. Other than that, got a couple other parts here that I will be opening up later when I am not. What is this? Stickers? It's a bunch of other stuff, but it's just some of the stuff that I bought. So I got the shifter cables, the short shift adjuster, a couple of other stuff. So I should have everything I need in here to do the manual swap with the shifter, all the good stuff. So this is another start and we'll be working on it this week. Yes, I want food. Just give me 5 seconds, Chaz. So I got a ton of parts, kind of. Hey, I knew he was gonna do that on purpose. I got my new shifter. I got my new shifter. I got my new clutch. I got my new clutch. I got this and I got that. We can't have anything. Nothing nice. I got a big bolt. This thing's not breaking. I can go all day. Oh, that's a big bolt. Martine's fixing the leaf springs on his truck. I don't know why, but he just keeps fixing this thing and it never drives it. It's kind of like this.
I can start this.
Hey, I could sit in it. Yes, so I got my clutch. I got some cables that I need for the tranny to mount up, and I got my new hybrid shifter, which it doesn't fit, so I'm gonna have to either end up making a custom bracket or I'm gonna have to make custom holes for it or something. So Jesus Christ. Martine is literally dying. So, dedication. We have Brandon's dumb trying to set up this 3D printer, even though I told him to go home and do it. And he's like, no, bro, I want to do it over here. Guess who was right, me, because he's just going to go home and do it. So, walk of shame. Play some sad music right now, Andrew. Walk of shame. Oh, we got the military. God damn. Martine and I just mobbing by these military guys. That thing is loud as hell, dude. And I'm still beating him. So, ow, I just hit my fucking head. So, got the shifter mounted. Came out pretty good. Came out pretty solid. The only issue was this one was on a curve down there, so I couldn't actually get the bolt in because at the bottom, the bolt went down, but it would curve, so I couldn't put a nut on it, but it's as stable as it gets. So, that's the new shifter. And then going into the pedal assembly, got a new one. The old one for sure wasn't fitting, so got a new one. Hopefully it'll fit. So Tina's cutting that hole bigger because both of my transmission cables doesn't fit through that. So we're just making it a little bit bigger so it'll actually fit through. Hey, sir, stop grinding on my grill. Oh shit, he falling. Yeah. And what LSD this is?
Is that M-Factory LSD?
M-Factory LSD, all right. And then we got my tranny opened up right now. So Hector Elizano is opening these up. He's just taking a look at it for me. Passes the test, all good?
Yep. So
Okay.
some pulls.
Oh yeah, I want that. I want to hear. I can't wait to hear it, bro. That's like the one thing I've been thinking about. All right, so we got my tranny back. That's so true. So.
Hold up. Wait a
I got my
minute.
transmission back, and I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. So there's just like these bearings and stuff inside the tranny that we're just changing out. We still haven't figured out where this one goes, but other than that, hopefully gonna have the tranny on here and honestly.
Yeah, you like it.
God
You
damn
gotta have
it.
screen
Water
time, right?
spill.
Let me have this guy. And I think my 113 subscribers are really good. Hopefully get the tranny onto the motor, and hopefully I want to get the motor in tonight. I mean, honestly, I think we can have it sitting in at least. I put the shifter cables in so we could even
It's 10 o'clock at night
link
now.
those up. Huh?
It's 10 o'clock at night right now. And the engine and the transmission are not
Hello,
together,
darkness, my-
nor are they in the car.
Huh?
Yeah, homie really thinks he's gonna get this.
Show must go on with you, Pedro. That's how we do it.
Well, I mean, I wish it was.
Well, I'm gonna force Craig to do some shit, so see you guys soon.
You don't know where any of this goes?
What is this? Is this where my clutch goes to? I have no idea what I'm doing, bro. Who the f let me do this? Craig, actually.
Oh, Craig has made it here. Now we might get something done.
No.
Oh, Craig's gone now. Back to fiddling with the transmission.
Greg, all 113 of you, please.
Oh, There's the help.
Video. Thanks for the views on the Havasu video, man.
Does he clickbait and put boobs in his title?
And then it was just kids riding around.
How is this fun?
I don't know. What do I do?
What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. That's why I called you over here.
Well, how can I help you if you don't know what you're doing?
Help me put it on that.
Okay, cool. Come again.
And also, what's this? Why is there holes on this thing? Why is there a bunch of holes on this thing? You know-
put one thing on the other thing and then put it inside of that thing. You know what I mean?
And then
That's
it
what he
all
wants to do.
just goes
Yeah.
They should really come with a check.
Wait, the guy that sold you the transmission didn't give you the instruction booklet on how to put it to the engine and put it in your custom car?
Yeah, no, they don't have a kit for this one. Don't waste it. Hey.
That's what he's going for, yeah.
My red clean shirt. You get the hell out of here.
Oh! That's a sweet car.
Yeah, you work on a Honda for 3 seconds and this crap starts happening.
Ow, that kind of hurt.
Oh, shit! I did not see that coming. I'm gonna keep my eyes out now because that came right under my chest. Expect the unexpected here.
Can you use the same flywheel? Why didn't you get a lightweight flywheel?
That's what I said.
You're right there.
Why don't you buy me one?
A little crane lowered in.
Did you buy my tires, dickhead?
What tire?
That was
Yeah,
not
fine.
YouTube friendly.
You never told me to buy that.
I told you, buy them and I'll give you 20 bucks. I literally said that to you.
I'm not buying them for 20 bucks.
No, I'm giving you 20 on top for just placing the order.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you need that now. I do.
I'm literally gonna rip your $20 out of your face. I don't need that
That's
shit.
fucking chum change, homie.
Craig, what am I doing?
This guy's like, we're gonna get it in tonight. We're gonna get it in tonight.
Stares at it for 4 hours.
I mean, it's already like, it's gotta be like 10:30. What is it, like 10:15?
Yeah, it is.
Time is nothing but a number.
It's a social construct.
Honda is forever.
Well, this guy does have work tomorrow.
That sounds like a
Who?
good song.
Pedram.
Oh, Pedro has work tomorrow?
Don't you have work tomorrow?
Good boys. Don't hit anything else now. Oh, no. You get him the same treatment. It's fine.
Bro, your fingers are literally black when you ate.
Finally got the motor in. Trans in. Missed a lot. I didn't record much of it, but actually any of it, but got new coilovers on, got the wheels back on, hopefully gonna get the car back on. Traction bar too, yeah, K-Tune traction bar. So hopefully get that on. This looks so clean. We're gonna see if we can get on the ground.
Alright, let's check this clearance real quick.
Bro, I have not seen this thing on the ground in a minute.
I like how you check the clearance after you drop it, and it's like,
Good old oil pan.
Look at this. Hey, chill. This thing is short.
No fat bitches on
Bro, to my knees. No, it has not ever been this low.
What do you mean?
I bet you we put the coils all the way on low.
This is ridiculous. I'm doing this at car shows.
Look how low that is.
that is funny, dude.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh,
Here.
did you hear what this Dungus did?
What Dungus did?
This cameraman Dungus Andrew. He needs to fix his Audi. So he asked us, hey, can we fix the Audi? And we tell him on the weekend. That same night, he's working on his Audi, and now it's dead at the shop.
Completely different from what I was doing.
Yeah, but you still mess it up, and that's why we told you to do it on the weekend.
Even if it was on a weekend, it'd still be there.
Maybe.
So here on the P-Dumb Show, we take perfectly good stuff and make it not good anymore. Yay!
All right, so I've been MIA for a little. There's been a lot going on. Doing really well at Rev. You guys probably don't give a damn, but
We got an
We're back with the
alternator. We got an alternator.
Albanator, and we've done so much to the build ever since my last video. So what we're gonna do is go inside, and I will actually give you guys a little bit of a rundown of everything that's pretty much going on, and kind of throw you guys in on what we've done, and you know, the process and how close we are to having it done. So
Looks like a car.
yeah, it actually looks like a car. It's on the ground and it's looking good. So let's get to it. Oh, but neighbor. That's like perfect. Congrats to Artine. Artine finally got his dream E90 that he's always wanted. So he's got the white on red. Very Persian of him. Very Persian. So check out Artine's videos. He's gonna be putting some out real soon. There he is, little Arbini. Say hi in there. Check his videos out. He's gonna be coming out with some new stuff too. But here we are with the CIVIC. Good old Wanda di Hinda. Let me put this down and kind of go through what we've been going through. So I believe last time you guys saw, I had this on jack stands. No wheels, no nothing in it, but we got the motor finally sitting in, finalized to where it's gonna be. Tranny is finally in. Are the headers still back there?
Yeah,
oh my God, the headers are still back here. Wah, wah, wah. So ever since then, we've put coilovers on. I got the Skunk 2 Pro V2, whatever they are, the fancy schmancy ones.
Bing Bang Bong coilovers.
Yeah, the Bing Bang Bongs. We got the wheels on. I mean, I will be getting new wheels and tires set up, of course, but for right now, these are just to roll around. I got insane shafts in. Got the DA9 Integra upgraded knuckles. All brand new suspension components as well. Craig's been helping out a lot, so shout out to Craig.
Did all the clutch stuff.
Yeah, we did all the clutch stuff. So Hush Performance with the Willwood clutch. Got the pedal assembly in.
So it's a reverse mount. It kind of has like a full Willwood, like cantilever style. You basically take a cable style fulcrum and make a hydraulic, so we had to do that. The only downside is you lose the passenger side or the driver's side AC heat vent, which is kind of lame.
Which,
But
to be honest, this car never had AC since the day I've owned it. Clearly the heater worked, and I will hook up the heater again just because, to be honest, I'd rather roll the windows down and have a breeze. And in the winter, if I drive this, I'd want heat. And if the motor's ever, you know, overheating or anything, I want to be able to turn the heater on so I can kind of help out with that. But other than that, there's a ton of parts. We're gonna see if they fit. Not tonight, I'm tired, but we will be soon. Gonna get the alternator on, and I think I showed you guys before. Craig helped me out, so this portion never fits if you do a K-swap on an EF. So Craig actually did a nice little body work, and he flattened that out, grinded it up, did all the pretty stuff to it, so it looks a lot better.
see the ugly backside.
Yeah, but thankfully the backside you won't see because the headlight goes on. But other than that, I mean, real status of this car, I'd say hopefully in about a month, I should have the motor running, and it should be able to turn on, crank over, all the good yummy stuff. Coming to the process of actually being able to drive it, you know, I'd probably say it's about a couple months out after I finalize the motor running and get the wiring done and you know, bolt up all the little hoses and everything that needs to get done. That's when I'm gonna really start focusing on getting the dash back in, getting the shifter cables, all of that stuff really nice and pretty, and getting it all, you know, finalized and put together. After that's all done, we'll get it over to my boy Darden. Shout out Darden. And he's gonna help out with the tuning. And I mean, we still got a little bit of a ways to go, but we're kind of getting closer day by day. So, and then after that, I'll start with the wrap again and doing all the cute little fancy stuff. Craig and I have some cool ideas. You can see by the printout.
Very detailed sketch.
Very detailed sketch. So the hibiscus is gonna go inside the menominator in the bob. Yeah. So we're gonna be, I've always, honestly, the trims were like a kind of like I like them, but at the same time I kind of want to always get rid of them. So I came up with this plan finally. I've always wanted to K-swap it, and I've always wanted to delete these. So I was like, you know what? I'm doing like the toughest portion of it right now. And look at Manny trying to see if that's gonna fit, which it won't. But we're gonna be welding this down. We'll make, you know what? I like that energy.
Good answer.
We're gonna be welding some pieces on here, and I'm gonna let Craig go crazy with doing some beadwork or something to make the body line a little bit more custom and more contour to it. So
we're gonna basically add our own body line and take this initial body line, fill it, so you imagine the entire door has its the continuous contour down it, but instead of having this huge dip in it, we're gonna do like a nice radius bead roll in this, so it still has texture to it. It's not just a smooth door. So it's like OE plus, I guess, is a better way to put it. It'll still retain its original body lines, but be way cleaner.
yeah, which I think it'll give a good look. I mean, at this point, if you guys can't tell, I'm truly going for a one-off build at this point, like extremely one-off, with everything I'm doing from the motor to the tranny to the interior to the exterior. As you guys know, the reason I'm really going in on this is first car. This has a lot of sentimental value to me. I would never ever do this with just a random Honda I bought, or just honestly any other car I've had. Not desirable, but it was always just like a joke for me, saying, oh, I'm gonna K-swap it, I'm gonna K-swap it. And then one day I was like, you know what? I want to prove to myself that I can do it. So we're on the process, and thanks to all my friends, we'll be getting there soon. So
Sweet.
That's a sweet little update for y'all. There's my camera guy. He's handsome.
Terrible.
Guy, dude. He makes all my videos. That's some of Craig's videos.
All right, let's get to work. Scooter works.
Whoa. We're good, and let's get it, and we'll be back soon with an update. Make a sick transition for that.